Hi, today I thought I'd show you a really quick overview of how I store my beads. Different beads for different projects all require different storage solutions. So let's have a look at the on a string beading storage solution. Lots of beads in lots of different ways. So one of the things I do is store all of my 3 and 4 mil beads in these Elizabeth Ward containers. So I've got several. You can see here I've got lots and lots of different containers for that. But what they do is hold all of those 3 and 4 mil beads. So I just put those in those little containers and they stack beautifully in these trays. And this is a really great way to hold all of those. So 3, 4 mils, 6 mils. And then on this side I have things like shaped beads and little things like hexagons, that sort of stuff. All of those type of things are stored in the Elizabeth Ward containers. I also then have in here some of them that don't have containers in them for things like glass beads and feature beads sit in here. So this is, it's a bit of a treasure trove, but a great way to look at all those beautiful glass beads in a container like that. So things like other beads get stored in these cupboards, all labelled, etc. And then, of course, I've got all my little different list of what's in what drawer. So Rivolies, they're all stored in containers like this. And I have lots of different sparkle pieces in these. Different sizes are all in the various containers. And they just slot into that drawer. And then I have things like buttons. So loads of buttons are in here, including vintage ones, and lots of different shiny pieces sit in here. And I even have in here things like rondelles and other bits and pieces all get stored in these sort of crystal drawers. And all of these containers hold lots of different sorts of crystals. I even have junk in here as well. Cupboards like this one hold bulk amounts of beads. So things like all my mocha crystals sit in a container like this. Drops. Look at all of those drop beads, lots and lots of them for different earrings. And you can see here everything is labelled with the name of what it is. Faux leather, pearls, rings, all of those sit in these containers in cupboards like this, and then the door gets shut. Another one, beads and crystals. This holds all sorts of other different types of things. Crystal drops, long drops, face cabs. So things like this, plain cabs, all sit in a container like that. Plain cabs. Drawers like this hold all of my Delicas. So these are the big box Delicas in here. And in these drawers, I have them all labelled by number. So the colours don't necessarily flow, but the numbers actually do. And I've got a couple of drawers of those. Then the rest of these drawers are all beads by colour. So there's my pink drawer, lots of different pinks. And it's usually just size 15, size 11 and size 8s all go in the same drawer. There's my orange and red drawer. They're pretty messy really, but I love having them stored by colour. There's my silver drawer, my gold drawer. I actually have 3 green and blue drawers. For some reason I have more greens and blues than any other colours. And right here on my desk is what I keep my beads that I use all the time. So golds and silvers and bronzes in my size 8s and 11s. So these little tubes just sit here in my tube holder on my desk because these are the ones that I grab all the time. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I store my beads. Lots of different solutions for lots of different bead types, including what I have here at hand that I use all the time. If you enjoyed that, make sure you check out our other Design Eye videos, and of course, subscribe to see more content from On a String. Until next time, I'm Paula. Bye for now.